Welcome to this Getting Started with Scio Qualis video. My name is Paul Schroeder and I'm one of the developers working on Scio Qualis. In this video, we are going to demonstrate read-only access, webbed content, or deep linking, as well as a GUID jump. Let's get started. If we go to the ScioQualis.com website, we can see that we're logged in as John, who is the user that we created in a previous video. John has selected his own institution and his own collection. However, poor John does not have a whole lot of content in his new collection. He does have the ability to create new records, and in the previous video we did create a single record here. It's a lower geography. John has the ability to edit the records within his collection as the collection admin, as well as create new ones or delete them. But to demonstrate the read-only access, we're going to change John's institution to another institution he has access to, the Scio Qualis Examples institution. Every user, when they sign up for a trial account, is granted read-only access to a couple of sample collections to get an idea of how to input data to the system. So in this case, I've selected the Scio Qualis Examples and the Mixed Example collection, and I'll choose a record. Something to note here is that John does not have the ability to edit, delete, or add new data to this collection. Again, that's because he has read-only access to this collection, and that touches on the idea of security, which will be covered in depth in a future video. So at this point in our presentation, we've demonstrated read access. Now let's move on to the webbed content or deep linking before we get into the GUID jump. Down at the bottom here, you can see that there's links. There's occurrences associated to the locality that we're looking at. The first link here will take us to the occurrence record, and the second link here would take us to the accepted identification record, or the taxa associated with this particular locality and this particular occurrence. Let's go to the occurrence first. Now notice that it not only took us to the occurrence form, but Scio Qualis was smart enough to know that we came from the locality, so it pre-selected the locality tab here for us. And we had just come from this Morton Arboretum locality. We also see here that there's a link to the event that is associated with this specimen, an event being essentially when this item was collected, and the locality being where specifically it was collected. We can see the ability to create some labels or do some Darwin core exports, the ability to link to external LSIDs or URLs or ARCs, etc. We have some photos associated with this one, and we can click on links to go to photos. Now, say we're at a photo and we wanted to get back to an occurrence, and we happen to have that identifier associated with the occurrence in an email or even an event. You just put the GUID in the box and press the enter key. Now if I went a little fast, let's go ahead and try it again with an occurrence. This unique identifier can be used from wherever you're at in the system. So if I'm even at the home page, for example, and I have that particular unique identifier in an email or a document, or I found it online somewhere, I can come to the box up here in the upper right that says paste GUID and press enter. Paste it in, press enter, and it'll take me directly to that occurrence record. There we have it. So in this video, we've demonstrated read-only access, the webbed content, how everything's linked together through these hyperlinks on various pages, as well as the GUID jump. We encourage you to visit ScioQualis.com and give it a try for yourself.